In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix iMovie size too large. So let's get started. Now, this can happen for so many reasons, so let's go ahead and look at those reasons. Now, whenever you're about to export, so let's say this is the project I've edited or made in iMovie. Now I have to go and export. So I go to File, Share, File, and now here is where the main thing begins. So suppose that I don't want it to be so large. You can see that 180p uses 315 MB estimate. Now if I decrease it down to 540 MB, you can see it decreases like by 3 times or something. And then instead of using the best quality, which takes us to 1 GB, I could use medium, and you can see it also decreases the size. And yeah, so now I can just go ahead and click on next, and then I can choose where to save it. So let's say I want to save it in downloads, and just go ahead and save it. Now I'm gonna wait for it to download here, and I'll show you the other ways to decompress it even further. Okay, so there you see it's downloading right now, so I'll have to wait for some time, but I'll show you that how you can do the next step with some other video. Okay, now once you have the video saved, what you can do is you can open the video like that. You can open the video in QuickTime Player. From here you can click on File, and you can click on Export As, and you can decrease the size even further by choosing, for example, a smaller resolution, and that's gonna make it even smaller in size. And you can also use an external compressor. For example, if you go to your web browser, you can obviously search up video compressors, and there are so many on the internet which decrease the file size by like 50 to 60% with minimal quality loss. Now, some other problems that could be happening is something to do with what is your project made of, okay, or the components you've used in your project. Now, there could be some stuff that is there in your project, but you have not used it in your timeline, and even that takes up space. Now, to see that if you have nothing unnecessary, you can just go to Finder, go to Go, then go to Folder. From here, go to just search up movies, and then you can click on the folder which shows up and click Enter. From here, it will take you to somewhere like this. Now, in iMovie library, just right click on it and click Show Package Content. Now, once you're here, you'll see your project. Now, the project which I'm currently on is my movie. So if I click on my movie, I can see all the things that I have imported into this project. So if I go to original media, I can see all the stuff that I have imported and that is taking up space. Now I can obviously delete some stuff which I'm not using. For example, I'm not using this, so I can just delete that. I'm using the song here, which is Sweet Life Luxury, so I can't delete that, but I'm not using this anymore. So yeah, you can just come here and delete all the unnecessary stuff, and then try exporting it once again, and the file size is gonna be lower. So yeah, those are the different ways that you can try to reduce the file size, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.